Peace and love, guys. So this is dinner. Here I have some yellow yam. This was $1, no, $2.99 a pound. But it's worth it, guys. They're dry. See? See? Any Chilani person here? See how the yam dry? Right. I don't miss when I buy yam. And I make some dumpling with spelt flour, and I put some cornmeal in there and some what else I put in there? And something else. But this now is, as you can see, some broad beans. But here I have also some cucumber in there that I cut up. So with my bell peppers and my onions and whatever seasoning. But I curried it. So instead of it being thick as normally, it would be thick with just the peas. And then I had some codfish, saltfish in there. With the peas and the codfish alone, then it would be real thick. So, but the cucumber give it this kind of runny consistency. You see it? So it's not thick. If it was just with the bean, then it would be a little thick. But it's tasty, guys. So this is my experiment. This is the first I'm having this. So I'm trusting it tastes good. So thanks for watching. Happy eating or healing.